Yes, Theo, what's your question?
Baking soda and vinegar make burbujas, right?
Yeah, the bubbles, or burbujas, are filled with carbon dioxide gas.
What would happen if we put it in a bag?
That's an interesting question. Vinegar and baking soda in a bag. Oh! It explodes!
It explodes!
Hi scientists, welcome back to the lab. I'm Jocelyn and this is my lab assistant Theo.
Hola amigos!
The chilly weather has got us thinking about snowflakes. So today we're going to use science to make a snowflake that pops.
Ooh!
We have 2 bags and we're going to draw a snowflake on each one. When it snows, ice crystals fall from the sky down to earth. And sometimes those crystals will clump together and form a snowflake.
¡Qué lindo!
Most snowflakes form with 6 points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And my favorite thing about snowflakes is that each one is unique. So we're going to draw the second one a little bit differently. Perfect. Now we have our 2 unique snowflakes. Now let's get into the science.
La ciencia!
We're going to add vinegar to each of the bags and close them almost all the way. Let's add different amounts of baking soda to each bag to see which one pops the fastest. So to this bag, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of baking soda. 3, 2, 1. Pop! Okay, that was pretty fast, but let's see if we add 2 tablespoons of baking soda, if our snowflake will pop even faster. Ready? Pop! Whoa, whoa! Well, this one definitely popped bigger. Look at how many bubbles there are.
Increíble!
Right? It seems that the more baking soda we add, the more bubbles we make and the faster the bag pops. You can try different conditions at home. So maybe more baking soda, more vinegar. It's up to you. Remember, you can be a scientist anytime, anywhere. Thanks for visiting the lab today. I had so much fun. We'll see you next time.